So here's the running track here in Clark, Pampanga. And yung distance niya is about 2.2. So medyo mahaba-haba siya. Ayan. Medyo maganda talaga dito kasi maraming trees. Ayan. At this time, it's about 3 PM nung tinig ko to, so walang masyadong tao. Kasi mainit, pero maganda siya mag-run kasi walang masyadong tao. Ayan. So, those people, those runners that wants to run here in Angeles, Mabalacat, and Clark, this is the place you wanna go for running. Especially in the morning. It's nice. Yan.